We're now going to move on to handle a scenario within the system of how we would process a booking on a class. We've already covered how we would use the schedule area to process one-to-one lesson bookings. However, to process class bookings, we need to select the booking system in the top right-hand corner. The customer has indicated that they want to make a booking on a golf camp. And if we go to the coach named Joe Bloggs, we can find this class by going to the appropriate date, and we can observe the yellow times in the schedule. This indicates that there's a class booking. If we click on the class, we can see the information relating to the class, the dates, the program type, and the coach name. We now need to find this class within the booking system under the program type Your Junior Group class. So let's go up to the booking system, select Your Junior Group class, and we're going to go ahead and select golf camps. We can do this by either hitting the image or by selecting it from the drop down. We can now see that we have the class listed. It tells us the name of the class, the start date, the duration, the places that have been booked, and the price per place. We can also view this class in a calendar view, and we can see that the 3 days of the class are visible here on the schedule. So let's go ahead and process this. We can do this by either in the calendar view, clicking on the class and hit Add to Cart, or in the list view, we can go to the class details button and again hit Add to Cart. It's actually at this point that we can either check out and process the booking or continue in the booking system. And we would use this option if the customer wanted to reserve another place on a different class. You're unable in one transaction to reserve multiple places. So let's go ahead and check out. To do that, we need to click on the basket and hit Checkout. We now need to decide whether this is a new customer or a customer that already exists within the system. Let's go ahead and select a customer within the system. We now need to choose the payment option. Similar to previous chapters, we could process any of these depending on the operation at our academy. But we're going to go ahead and choose Pay at Academy. We now need to process the booking by hitting Book Now. And we can now see that that place has been reserved. If we navigate back to the booking system and we choose Your Junior Group class, select Golf Camps, we can now see that 2 places have been booked on that class.